Hey guys, good morning. I think I'm gonna have to pick up Tux and move him today. He seems quite settled in over there. Are you gonna eat over here today? Yeah, that's what I need. Cat switching places on a Monday morning. Hi. It's another warm day. Yeah. Out here in short sleeves. I had to go take off my jacket. I was too hot.
60 something degrees out here.
I'm gonna go it up to 83.
Yeah.
What do you know? You can see out into the front yard again for a few weeks before it gets dark again. I think there's been some deer in the woods off to the left this morning. I've been hearing them walking around up there. My bridge lights are working, and I did get most of the leaves out of the front yard. There's a lot more on this side than there was on this side. These are also bigger, easier to move leaves. Oh, it does feel like a Monday, but it's a warm Monday. Good morning, Ruby. Wow, you can really see the trees gone now. Oh, and they did take down more close to the road. Bummer. I really thought maybe they were going to leave those pretty trees. You get to see more sunrise this morning. It's not dark out. Bless you, Johnny. It's been a sneezing kind of a morning. Fall allergies, darn. Now, this is the first time I haven't had autopilot in a long time. I bet it comes on a subsequent drive today. The service appointment that I had pushed out is actually for Wednesday, but I had all intentions of canceling it or pushing it out 3 weeks again. I'm still probably going to do that. Well, unfortunately, A's right about it being cloudy out. 68 is what Ruby says the temperature is. Alright, I've been stopped over here at St. Monica's. Let's see if I get autopilot back. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily have it right this second in the parking lot, but I did get out of the car. It's not looking good, although coming up to the intersection, we'll wait. Give it just a little more time to think about it. Get through the next stoplight and then approaching down to my turn. If it doesn't come on, I'd say it's not coming on. I did just glance at all the cameras while I was out doing my little stretch walk. Obviously, I didn't see anything. I've never seen anything before, so it would have been a big surprise if I had. Nope, not coming back on right now. Well, I want you to not cancel your service appointments less than 24 hours, so I can certainly wait till this afternoon to make a decision. Maybe even tomorrow morning's drive would still be within the range. So just looking at the property coming in from the other direction. Yeah, I guess I thought for a minute maybe they were going to leave those trees along the road, but and they took a bunch of them down. I'm sure a couple more days and they'll have everything cut, shredded, chopped, hauled off, and we'll get a feel for the entire space of the construction area. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
It's warm and it's sunny, and unfortunately Don's got a conference call to dial into. Although he's got his phone all set up this week, so things should go more smoothly. It's that very leafy time of the year. Crunch, 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 crunch. Wow, that's the second kindness rock now I found on the trail. Let's see if this one says all the way from California to. No. But way cool. You can definitely hear the construction, earth moving equipment. I hope those couple of really tall trees are left and not in the line of fire. Put a little block in between the trail and what's up there, but who knows? I don't know if they're mowing today, but they're definitely blowing today. We ditched our jackets real quick. Yeah, I see that mainframe stuff up on your phone. The town guys are doing what they need to do with the most inefficient and loud, obnoxious blower. It barely moves any leaves. It's laughable. I could have come and done the whole parking lot already. Not their fault. Wow, 5 cars plus Jules. It's busy over here this morning. So there are 8 bags total. 1, 2, 3 threes, 4, 5, and 6. And of course there might be a little bag inside. This one definitely has a little bag inside of it. But I've got right at an hour to work. And here's the cute little sticker. He's got his little plaque thing on the side like the other guys. Is Tuck's not the cutest cat ever? He is really sleeping. He's so cute. Okay, I got bag 1 done and half of bag 2. Half of bag 2 means I built 1 leg. So I gotta get downtown. If I don't leave now, I'll be late. And Johnny's got a lot of work to do tonight. Autopilot back. I'm not too surprised. Don and I talked on our walk and agreed to not close the service ticket but to move it out again. December really might be a little calmer for us with Johnny only having the 1 high school class and Don's work continuing to wind down, and this week is horrible for anything extra. And I also don't think they're going to be able to do much if I can't drive it in there with the error happening. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in the app and I'm going to move it out to the next available at Raleigh. So I've noticed when we approach stoplights and the vehicle in front of us is very tall, if I can't see if the stoplight is green or red, obviously Ruby can't see either. And she slows up a good bit until she sees if it's green, and then she speeds back up. Or if she sees it's yellow or red, I'm sure she would slow down. I've witnessed this behavior a couple of times now, and it is sort of what I do as a person. It's like, well, I can't just go flying through the intersection if I can't tell if it's red or green or yellow. I need to really be able to see it. You guys know I don't tailgate too much, so the fact if I can't see it, I mean, I really like this light right now is yellow, and she has seen it, but there's a lot of times there's tall vehicles in front of us, and even following at a safe distance, she can't see what color the light is. They're actually laying asphalt on both sides of the overpass. I wonder how soon they'll have us move back to straight. Lots of work to do on the road below the overpass, but the top side of the overpass is probably going to be ready pretty soon. See, all lined up with asphalt here, and on the other side they're all lined up with asphalt too. You can just see the rolling machine in through there. I completed bag 2. It's time for bag 3. Bag 3 is going to be working on the legs some more because we don't go up until bag 4, so. Besides working on BD-1, I made a broccoli, egg, sausage, cheese, bacon casserole. We're going to have steaks for dinner, but this is like the pre-dinner. Don's got off a little early and had him a nap. He says he's feeling 10 times better. Hey, you.
Hey.
It's not a day if you don't...
Get 100% of my tools out.
Yeah, he's been in and out to the garage a few times. He's just working on fine-tuning the leveling of the washing machine. Well, best as I can tell, bag 4 started on the head. The head has more pieces than you think. I was going to say that it's great. BD-1 is all done, except for I put his head on backwards. Let me get that sorted out.